RSM is passionate about working with manufacturing businesses across the country, with a focus on helping businesses and the communities in which they operate build capability and thrive. Today, we chat with our long-term client, Capital Veneering.
Tell us about Capital Veneering. How did the journey begin?
The Capital Veneering journey began in the year 2000. Myself and my original business partner Marcus, just the two of us in a small shed in Fishwick, custom pressing veneer work, furniture, and since that day we've evolved into approximately 60 permanent full-time employees into a manufacturing facility of over 4,000 square metres.
So tell me, what does Cap Veneering bring to the table?
We like to be at the forefront when it comes to innovation. We do all sorts of joinery. We do large commercial fit-out projects. We do multi-unit residential. We also do high-end one-off custom homes.
How has RSM shaped the growth of Capital Veneering?
RSM has been instrumental in our growth, really a business partner, instrumental in our major decision-making and our strategic planning within our organisation.
How has automation helped you grow into the business you are now?
So some of the more significant benefits have been in regards to the output and efficiency within our organisation. We really like to stay at the forefront in regards to technology in automation of machinery and also software. So to give you an example, in the past we've had to run 2 shifts 7 days a week in order to keep up and meet programs for our clients. Some of our investments have meant that we've been able to reduce that back to a single shift for 5 days a week, and we're also able to do it in a much more safe working environment for our staff. RSM support us through those decisions. They assist us by putting together a business plan and cost-benefit analysis to allow us to make informed decisions when we look at those major commitments to assist in improving our business.
Probably helped when it became harder to get staff too.
We work hard to be a preferred employer, and one of the ways to do that is to have good equipment and good machinery and good technology. The future for Capital Veneering, I think, is pretty exciting. We've got a new generation of shareholders that work within our organisation. The succession planning of the business and the strategic planning longer term is a real focus for us. And RSM, as our business partner, really provide advice and guidance around some of those significant decisions within our organisation.
RSM is a bigger business. Would you say that we've been able to evolve and adapt as your business has grown?
I think we're a great example of that, from starting out, with two people in our organisation to 60 plus now, and RSM's been there every step of the way.
Tell us about your journey with Capital Veneering.
Started here as an employee back in 2006. Quite a small business back then, 4 or 5 staff. Around 2010, Ben offered me an option to buy in, which I sort of worked through with RSM and yourself.
So being in business brings challenges.
Yeah, it definitely does. Staffing, capital, those sorts of things. A lot of strategic, longer term planning around direction of the business, around what the market's doing and where we can take advantage of those markets. And then we have some unusual challenges like COVID in recent times, and some of those government assistance programs were very complex and we needed that assistance to work through it, so that was really good.
RSM and Capital Veneering have had a long-standing relationship. What are some of the things you think have made it so successful?
The fact that there's been a relationship for 40 years, working with RSM in bringing on new shareholders into the business has been a major success. Being able to work with you, Reece, on decision making around the right purchases and how to finance those purchases, reviewing our bank facilities and having your help in decision making around those facilities is definitely part of the success of the business.
James, what advice would you give to a younger self?
I would advise people to have regular catch-ups with their accountants, not annually or twice a year. I'd say monthly catch-ups, and I'd advise them to really seek out that accountability that we get from RSM to discuss and plan the business.
Who should work with RSM and why?
I think RSM has a really good culture. They can cater for small business. We started as a 2-man operation and we've grown to 80 plus. Growing the business with RSM and having that education around financial reporting and understanding the numbers in your business and what it means. And
technology.
Yeah, that's right. Thanks for your assistance and your help all these years, and I look forward to more of the same.
Sounds good.